Good morning, children. I welcome you for revision class of formative assessment 1. Okay, let us see social studies class, our environment. Okay, we shall do revision for the question and answers. Okay, already PDF we have sent to you. Okay, I think all of you got the PDF and you are ready with the question and answers. Let us see. Explain the following terms. The terms which are given in the textbook, that is environment. What is the first one? Environment. Environment means the term environment refers to all the external conditions in which an organism lives. Okay, where organisms are living, that area we call as environment. It includes things created by nature and human beings. Okay, what nature provided us and what the human beings prepared, those all areas we call it as environment. And second one is lithosphere. Lithosphere, or the outermost layer of the earth, which includes in crust and upper part of the mantle, is called lithosphere. It is made up of rocks and minerals. Okay, outermost layer of the earth. On earth's surface, what we see, rocks, hills, mountains, okay, all these come under the lithosphere. This can be seen only in the crust part, upper part of the crust, as we have crust, mantle, core, three divisions of the earth's interior. The crust upper part of the crust, we see all these rocky parts can be seen. Okay, includes in crust and upper part of the mantle also. Okay, so it is known as it is covered with the rocks and minerals. Rocks and mineral wealth both are present in this. Okay, next biosphere. The biosphere contains both flora and fauna, hence called the living world. Flora and fauna means natural vegetation as well as the animal well. Animals also both come under the flora and fauna. Okay, what we can find in our the living world. It is a narrow zone where the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet and interact. It supports life on earth, thus called the living world. Three spheres join together narrowly. What are those? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. The three layers narrowly joined in such an area we can find biosphere is formed. Biosphere supports the life of all the living creatures. Next, fourth one is ecosystem. The complex system of interaction between different organisms and their physical environment in a particular area is called an ecosystem. The complex system of interaction between different organisms, okay, and their physical environment in a particular area is called ecosystem. The complex system is very difficult to understand the system of interaction between the organisms and physical environment, on different living organisms and physical environment what provided by the nature. Okay, so these two together very complex to understand. So this is called the ecosystem. Next, fifth one is urbanization. The number of people living in urban areas as compared to total production of country is known as urbanization. Urban areas, how many people are living in urban areas, okay, and cities, etc. Compared with the population, we call it as a urbanization. Understand? In a country, urbanization means rapid development areas of various facilities. What are those? Infrastructure facilities, okay, like roads, buildings, okay, schools, hospitals, etc., etc. All these facilities were rapidly developing such kind of places come under the urbanized areas. Urbanized areas. Next, pollution. The disturbances caused to the environment due to excessive exploitation of nature, unplanned and unwise use of technology, overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization is called pollution. The disturbance caused to the environment. Okay, we the human beings creating a lot of harmness to the environment in the way of exploitation of nature. We are exploiting, means we are consuming the nature in various ways. Okay, unplanned and unwise use of technology. Whatever the technical development takes place in our life, that is using very vigorously without any plan and without any proper way of planning by the people. So it leads to some damage to the environment. Overpopulation. Population rapidly is increasing in India. Okay, already we are in the second place of China. Okay, even China stands first place. It took the very serious measures to control the population. Okay, overpopulation also leads to the lot of damage to the pollution. Urbanization and industrialization is called pollution. Urbanization means converting the rural areas into the urban towns and cities, etc. As towns and cities have the more facilities, they also created a lot of damage. Industrialization also, the waste gases, liquids and all released into the atmosphere and create a lot of harmness to the atmosphere. So these all are responsible for the pollution. Okay, next, give short answers to the following questions. What is the importance of ecosystem? The importance of an ecosystem is that it provides space to plants and animals to interact with each other as well as with their physical environment. Through such interaction, they are interdependent on each other for their survival. Okay, the importance of an ecosystem is that it provides space for what? Plants and animals to interact with each other. How they interact? Suppose forest area is there. The vast forest area we see a number of species of trees are developed, and in that natural vegetation, animal wealth also developed in plenty of number. Understand? If we don't disturb the animal wealth and all, they gradually develops and that leads to the ecological balance. Understand? So physical environment should be protected by the human beings always to protect the human beings. Okay, as we protect the physical environment, we ourselves are getting protected. Through such interaction, they are interdependent on each other for their survival. As we protect the nature, nature protects us. If we damage the nature, nature cannot damage. We ourselves getting damaged. So we have to concentrate on the progress of the environment along with our development. Then only we can be safe side. Next, why did the Chipko movement take place? The Hindi word Chipko means clinging or embracing. Clinging or embracing. The Chipko movement took place as a protest against the indiscriminate cutting down of trees in Alaknanda River Valley in Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, there is a river called Alaknanda. In the valley of Alaknanda, we see that there was a Chipko movement as for urbanization purpose. The trees are going to be cut. The people, the women in the area staged a protest to prevent cutting trees by embracing the tree trunks. Do you understand, children? The women especially hold the tree and not allow the officials to cut down the trees, okay, for the development of that area. They want environment. So this became very popular all over the India, and later on it got spread to the worldwide also as a Chipko movement. Understand? Not allowing the government officials, okay, or private people to enter into that forest area or valley area to cut the trees, okay, in order to bring development for various purposes. Next, let us see the third question. Okay, what are the reasons for environment pollution? Okay, you know many reasons, but it is better to write 3 reasons. Some of the reasons for environment pollution are given below. Let us follow these. Okay, exploitation and misuse of nature due to various human activities. Do you understand, children? Exploitation and misuse of nature. Exploit, what is meant by exploit means continuous consumption. We are cutting the forest and converting that land into agricultural land. Understand? Not planting the trees or plants again in the same number. We are not bothering about how much area we cut. That much area we are not able to develop. That is the reason ecological imbalance is being taken place. Nature due to various human activities. Human activities. What are the human activities? Come under construction of roads, buildings, schools, hospitals. For various purposes, what we are doing, we are cutting the trees mercilessly and we are not developing same percentage of the natural vegetation that leads to the environmental pollution. Second point, unplanned and unwise use of technology. Already I discussed about this point. The technology, whatever developed in day-to-day life, okay, that should not lead to the damage of the human community, but it should protect the humans. Such a measure should be taken, such steps to be taken by ourselves. Okay, we ourselves creating a lot of pollution around us due to the rapid growth of technology. Next, overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization are also the other 3 important causes for the environmental pollution. Overpopulation, rapid growth of population, I told you, people need a lot of facilities and all day to day. Urbanization, converting the rural areas into urban areas like towns and cities, as these 2 places need a lot of development and all. Industrialization, establishing the industries, factories leads to the lot of pollution of atmosphere as they release smoke and gases, liquids, etc., that mix into the atmosphere and cause a lot of harm for the living creatures. Next question. How can natural environment be managed properly? Natural environment can be managed properly. The natural environment can be managed properly by maintaining a perfect balance between the nature and human environment. Okay, what the natural environment do? Can be managed properly. Okay, by whom? By human beings. Maintaining a perfect balance between natural and human environment. By nature we got some environment we created. Both should be balanced always by human beings only. Such kind of measures should be taken, then only we can expect nature will be protect us. The scientists, technologists, technologies and planners are to address the various environmental problems. Okay. Also, we should learn to live and use environment in harmonious way. In the sense, technology and science both parallelly developed that leads to the harmonious way for the environment. So we get the comfortable life in day-to-day life of the human beings. Awesome. Explain the relationship between geography and environment. The study of geography includes the study of various natural and human-made components of the environment. Geography includes what nature provided us and what the humans created for their daily life. These two together come under the geography and environment. Okay, it also studies the interrelationship between human beings and their environment. The interrelationship between environment and the human activities both should be come under the geography as a part. Therefore, the relationship between geography and environment is very close. Okay, geography comes under the physical components of the Earth's surface, that is soil and lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and all these will come under the part of geography as well as biology sciences also. So, it leads to the relationship between the geography and environment. Why we should study about the geography means to make the environment lively for our day-to-day life, and it protects us. Next, describe the main features of natural and human-made environment. Mountains, rivers, vegetation and animals are some features of natural environment. By nature, what we get is all come under the natural environment. The features of natural environment includes biotic and abiotic components. They are divided into two categories, biotic and abiotic. Agriculture, industry, settlements and means of transport which are created by humans are some of the features of human-made environment. Okay, these all man created, developed agriculture, industries, settlements. Settlements means construction of houses and other various infrastructure facilities, means of transport, roads, railways, water, airways, etc. All these. These all created by the human beings. Okay, these all come under the human-made environment. Human beings developed these features to live comfortable in their environment. Okay, these all facilities provided by themselves to make their life very comfortable. Okay, children, read the PDF notes and all which is given to you. Okay, write the exams and send the pictures to school, my mobile. Okay, read textbook also. Okay, thank you, children.
తప్పకుండా రెడ్ బటన్ అవుతుందండి వీడియో అవుతున్నట్టు
వీడియో అవుతున్నట్టు
అప్పుడు ఇంకా రాలేదు ఎంతవరకు ఉన్నా ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు ఖాళీ చేసుకుని నువ్వు టైం ఫుడ్ తినేస్తుంది
అవును
అదొకటి ప్లస్ నిద్ర ఒకటి రెండు
నిద్ర ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కూడా చేయట్లేదు.
తర్వాత ఎన్ని కోట్లు వచ్చినా దండగా
అంతే.
అది ఇవాళ నా పరిస్థితి ఫుడ్
రోగాన్ని పెట్టుకోవాల్సి అవుతుంది
అన్ని
సంపాదించిన డబ్బులు.
చూసా కదా మందలైన నా పరిస్థితి అలా అయిపోతాయి.
అయిపోయింది, మాది సగం అయితే అయిపోయినట్టే.
అంతే మరి ఇంకేం ఉండదు. అలా అలా
దద్ద 34 వచ్చింది అప్పుడే.
మ్యారేజ్ అయ్యి పిల్లలు పుట్టిద్దరికి 35-36 వచ్చేస్తాయి. 50 ఏళ్ళకి వాళ్ళకి నీకు ఎన్ని 14 సంవత్సరాలు పిల్లలు ఉంటారు. నా పరిస్థితి సార్ ఎలా ఉందా? వాళ్ళు ఎదిగేసరికి నాకు 60 ఏళ్ళు వచ్చేసరికి ఆడు ఏ 10th వస్తాడు. 8th 10th ఏం చేస్తాం?
ఇద్దరు అంతే. అమ్మాయి ఎత్తుకొస్తుంది.
అమ్మాయి ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది, ఎటు చేయలేని పరిస్థితి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ పిల్ల ఫస్ట్ అబార్షన్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండి వాటికి 14 ఇయర్ గర్ల్.
ఇప్పుడుగా ఆహా
14 ఇయర్స్ కాదు, 13 ఇయర్స్ 12 ఇయర్స్ అవుతుంది.
13 ఇయర్స్ 12 ఇయర్స్ అంటే 7th క్లాస్కి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
10 ఇయర్స్ పాప, 10 ఇయర్స్ 2010లో పోయింది. 5లో 10లో పోయింది.
అబ్బాయి
20 కదా 10 ఇయర్స్.